So I'm in the Sales Hub. I'm going to switch my Sales Hub area from the sales area to the app settings area. And before we get too far, you should have a product catalog or somewhat similar security role in order to make the changes that we're looking at today. So I'm in the Sales Hub app settings, and I want to scroll down to the families and products, the price lists, and the unit groups. Now, Dynamics 365 comes with one unit group. It's called the default unit. And what unit groups are related to is how do you sell items? And most of the time, a single default unit is good enough. Now, if you sell your products in multiple ways, for example, cases, pallets, individual units, feet, quarts, gallons, liters, you would possibly need to create different default units for each one of your products. You'd have to create multiple default units or multiple units that you sell your products in. Since we are just selling everything by ones, we are going to just create a default unit. And so once we've set this up, we're ready to move to the next step, which is creating a price list. Now, out of the box, Dynamics 365 comes with a single price list. And in our development environment, it's called the Contoso Coffee Price List. You can have multiple price lists. So for example, you might have a commercial price list, and what that represents is clients that you are selling to commercially as opposed to individuals that you might be selling to. If you sell both B2C and B2B, you might have multiple price lists. I'm going to just create a new price list here. And now we have two price lists. We're going to work mostly in the Contoso price list. When I open up a price list, I see some information. First off, I have a start date and an end date. Those are not required, but I do have a currency. So I'm selling all of my products in US dollars. If I was selling my products in different currencies beyond just the US dollar, I would want to create another price list for euros, pounds, etc. We would add products, and we're going to get to products in a few seconds, to the price list. And these would be the prices that we are selling our products at based on this price list. So any customer who has the Contoso Coffee price list would purchase the products at this price. So an AirPot is going to be $16.99, an AirPod XL is going to be $4.99. I'm going to go back a step and look at now how products are created and how we add products to the product price lists. So I'm going to move up my list here to families and products, and I see I have 9 products in my price lists. Now we're going to make a couple changes here. For one thing, because I'm selling a very small group of products, I don't need to worry about a hierarchy. But let's say as I go along and my business is growing, I'm going to be selling new products and new different types of products. And I might have hundreds and thousands of products to choose from. And I want an easy way to find those products once I'm working in Dynamics, creating a quote or an order for a client. So what we first want to do is we want to add a family. And families represent different groupings of products. So these are all